the number of cars sold at a certain dealership on 6 of the last 7 business days was this. Okay, so there's given 6 days. First day 4 cars sold, next day 7 cars sold, and all that. So let's write down 4, 7, 2, 8, 3, 6. We don't know what happened on the 7th day. Okay. If the number of cars sold on the 7th day was either 2 or 4 or 5. So there are basically 3 possibilities, 2, 4 or 5. Okay. For which of the 3 values, which 3 values? We're talking about these 3 values. Say basically which of these possibilities. Does the average of the number of cars sold per business day for 7 days? Okay, so the average, if 2 cars were sold on 7 day, what would be the average of 7 days? Some number that's going to come. Same thing, if the 7th day saw 4 cars sold, what would be the average for 7 days? That number would come here. And here, if 5 cars were sold on the 7th day, what would be the average? In which possibility does this average number equal the median number of cars sold per day for 7 days? Median number of cars sold per day for 7 days. Okay, so we'll also need a median number, right? So let's round the median number here. Some number will come here, some number will come here. So I need to find out whether these two numbers are same for this possibility. Same for this possibility. Okay, that. So let's find out how do we find the average? Average of 7th is going to be this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus 2, right? Divided by 7. That would be this number. Same thing we have to do for 4. Same thing we have to do for 4. So now this sum anyway is constant in all possibilities. Let's first do that. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. Okay, so this sum is going to be 30. So in this possibility, the sum is going to be 32 and the average is going to be 4 point something. Okay, do we have to calculate that? No. Why? Because all we are interested in doing is whether these two numbers are equal. So if this is a fraction, the median, whatever that median would be, we can find that also. Okay, but then median is always going to be an integer number, right? Because it's number of cars sold. Correct? What is the median? Median is in a set, the middle value. If I sort the set, the middle value. Okay, so if I sort this 4, 7, 2, 8, 3, 6 and this 2 is going to be an integer, right? That integer is never going to be equal to a fraction, right? So this possibility does not. Okay, let's move on. Second possibility, number of the sum of first 6 days is 30 plus 4, 34. Again, I get 4 point something. That's also not going to. But here now you will see that 30 plus 5 is equal to 35, right? 35 is a multiple of 7, so I get a whole number 5 as an average. And let's also find out the median. Okay, how to find out the median? I sort them, right? So I need to sort 4, 7, 2, 8, 3, 6 and 5. So let's write down. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, see, these are very easy numbers. So you can clearly see that, right? These are sort of natural numbers in a sequence, right? So 3, 4, 5, the median number will be 5. Okay, we didn't have to do this, but because the first two possibilities are anyway not there, so the third one has to be the answer. But we can verify that also. So the only possibility where this thing holds is possibility number 3 only.